everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. This is another one from my pandemic album. If you're interested in seeing that, I do have a playlist with my pandemic album, and in that album are any of the layouts that I videoed and also the flip through that I did of the entire album, because by the time you will see this, it will have been done for quite a while. I did not video as many of those layouts as I normally would have, and that's because I was trying to do them fast because I wanted to do this album as real time as I possibly could. And if I had taken the time to video them, I wouldn't have been able to go through the process of creating quite as fast. It's a little different when you're videoing because you have to worry about your head and that kind of stuff. Although I just noticed that my phone cord is in the way in the top right up there. So sorry guys that you might end up seeing this for the whole video if I don't notice that. So see, this is why I don't video these, because I'm just not anyway, not paying as much attention. So let's go back to the layout because I've done a few things here. I have that peach cardstock there from Coordinations. It's the Tim Holtz Ranger Adirondack collection in salmon. And then I added that scallop paper from the Pink Fresh Studios Let's Stay Home collection, and it's the You Are Stronger paper. And that's kind of, that was like their Stay at Home collection. There are quite a few collections out there, not just this Pink Fresh one. I believe Photoplay has a collection as well that is more pandemic related. This one you could use for lots of different staying at home things or just being at home things. So I kind of used it twofold here because I do have pieces left from some of these sheets, so I'll be able to do those later. All right, so I love that scallop paper. I was glad to get that on here. And then that blue paper is the Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home, Hope for a New Day. And then I have that 3x4 card, which is cut apart from the cut apart paper, which I'm sorry guys, I didn't grab what the name of that one is, but that is again from the Let's Stay Home collection. So I'm pretty sure that's a cut apart and not a die cut. All the die cuts were smaller and they're kind of laying across my layout there as I tried to decide what I wanted to do. Now I did want something to sort of bridge the gap between the cardstock and the scallop paper there, and I found this washi tape that I don't know who made this. It's just a blue diagonal stripe, and I have to say the blue in this Pink Fresh Studio is so gorgeous. I could buy just that blue paper and be happy because it's, you know, it's just a really, really pretty kind of almost royally blue. It's unusual. You don't see this color as much in scrapbooking supplies. So love, love, love this. I like how it has a definite spring feel to it, but you wouldn't necessarily have to use it for spring layout since most of us were staying at home this past spring, if not still now. All right, so then I'm calling this Homemade Memories, and I'm using some of these die cuts. So I use I'm using the Homemade Memories die cut for my title. I'm using the cell phone piece, the video camera piece. There's a video chat piece there as well. And the reason that this is all important is because this is really a story about a Zoom session with a really group of my closest friends. We live in 4 different states, so we have not seen each other even now. So I'm voicing this over in August, and we still haven't seen each other. So I haven't seen most of these women since February, January, and they're very close friends of mine. So normally we do a summer get together, which we did not do this year. All right, so, and I just think it's kind of cool that I have these cameras. I have like a play button there. I've got that puffy camera there. And that one is from the Let's Stay at Home puffy stickers. That little green house circle on the bottom there is from the chipboard with this Let's Stay Home collection. It's the chipboard flare. And I think that video chat, that phrase sticker, I think that was from the sticker sheet that goes with this collection. It's the cardstock stickers from Let's Stay Home. So basically most everything in this is from that collection. So I'm just playing around again. One of, I think that cell phone piece is a sticker. Some of us were on cell phones, some of us were on our iPads, some of us were on our computers. Oh my gosh. If you want to laugh a lot, get like 6 or 8 women together trying to figure out a new chat app. Oh, I haven't laughed that hard in a long time. And that's what we all said, that we hadn't laughed that hard in a long time. It was really fun. All right, so I'm adding in, this is one of the labels from the sticker sheet here, just to give myself something to ground this cluster on here. I wanted a third element in it because every one of these clusters right now has at least 3 elements in it. And they would kill me if they knew that you were all seeing their photos here. So their names are not associated with this, thank goodness. Because we were all kind of in states of, you know, were we, you know, in PJs, this is later at night. We all had a glass of wine. None of us were looking our most beautiful, including me, who is on the bottom right there. All right. I'm just loving all the little details and, you know, adding things in like the cameras and that kind of thing, or the home pieces to, they're meaningful. I do have that puffy sticker there as well too. So that's from that puffy stickers, as the puffy sticker collection as well too. So just little bits and pieces that are significant to this story. I like to do that where I add pieces that remind me of the story or something to do with the story itself. And when I look at this, I will forever remember how much we laughed during a time that it was that was sad and serious. So I'm playing around quite a bit here, trying to get everything in and adjusted there. So there's another phrase sticker from the cardstock sticker sheets there, which is what's right on the bottom left there. The other thing I'm doing too, by the way, as I do this, is I'm trying to get colors in here, like where I didn't have colors. Like getting a little coral into that top cluster, because there's a lot of coral here. There's some orangey corally colors in the bottom left. I'm kind of the multicolored scallop behind the bottom left, plus there's a little bit of that coral in their phrase sticker, so I'm kind of distributing colors too here. All right guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye everybody.